So today we are I don't know what we're doing today, bro.
So we are making a cinematic B-roll sequence for a coffee brand that we are working with right now. So this video is going to be showing you the behind the scenes, how we came up with the shot list, how we came up with the transitions, with in-camera transitions, how we shot it, how we did our lighting, and literally everything. So let's do it. Hey guys, welcome to a brand new video here on my YouTube channel, Nimul TV, where I post lots of behind the scenes tech reviews and tutorials on Adobe Premiere Pro. Today, I'm going to be showing you how we made that commercial B-roll that you just watched. Yeah, with my bro over here, Alejandro. Make sure to check out his channel, link below in the description.
Subscribe and like, bro.
So we are going to be filming this using the Ronin S. We are going to have two Sony A7IIIs. One is going to be for our handheld shots. The other one is going to be staying on the Ronin S. And we're going to be using the Tamron 28-75mm for all of the shots that we are going to be taking today. So yeah, let's do it. So for the first shot, we used the Ronin S gimbal to have a very stable shot, and we wanted to have a transition by covering and then uncovering the camera's lens using Alejandro's black t-shirt. So this is the shot where I'm going to uncover the camera's lens with the same t-shirt of Alejandro, because I covered it in the previous one. I want to have a smooth transition. Then I just point the camera up to the white color ceiling because I'm going to have a transition in the next shot. So in this shot, I'm just going to uncover the camera from a white colored like kind of object, and then I just tilt it down for the next shot, which I'm going to point the camera from up to bottom to have a continuous shot. So since I pointed the camera in the previous shot downwards, and in this shot, after setting up my lighting to make sure we have enough lighting to just light up inside this cabinet, I'm going to move the camera in the same direction of the previous shot and then follow Alejandro's hand and then cover it with the coffee bag. So since I covered the camera's lens in the previous shot, I'm going to unveil and uncover it in here and then just tilt it down for a smooth transition to the next shot, which I'm dropping the filter. So in the previous shot, the camera movement was from up to bottom. So the filter's movement when he drops it is also from top to bottom. So I just follow it. I try a couple of times for getting smooth masking transition. So this is a pretty straightforward shot. I just follow him while he just moves the bag, and then we move on to the next shot. So I'm gonna use the Ronin to get some smooth close-up shots of actual coffee while he's putting it in the filter from different angles. So as I said, we wanted to make sure we have enough footage of our actual product. So we got the same footage of close-up shots of the actual coffee when he's pouring it in the filter from another angle, but just following his hand to just make sure we are showing enough of the product. This was one of the trickiest shots because we just had one shot, so I had some stress on me, but we nailed it pretty good. I was just following him and just giving some camera movements using the Ronin while he was pouring it in the filter, but I was pretty happy. And then we of course got some close-up shots of the coffee while it's just dripping down from the filter. And of course, the next step would be actually pouring the coffee in the cup. I had some plans for this shot, but it didn't work out the way I wanted. So we just cut it simple, and I got some close-up angles of the coffee just pouring into the cup to add it to the previous shot, and it was pretty good. And of course, at the end you have to drink the coffee, but I don't know how many of you noticed, but Alejandro actually drank all of the coffee, so in this shot we didn't have any coffee in the cup. And of course we have our hero shot, and actually I don't know if you noticed or not, but I used green screen kind of steam to put it on top of the cup to get the feeling of there's a hot coffee in the cup right now.